Hey all, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel, Sri World of Coding. Today I'm gonna show how to perform operations on dataset using the TMAP component. So I will show you this data. This is my dataset and I'm gonna perform various operations on it. So let's begin. I'm gonna load this data using a T file input component. I'm gonna specify the path of this file. My field separator is comma. I have a header value as you can see in the first line and it is separated by comma. Okay, I'm gonna create a schema. First is name, second is employee ID, uh, its employee ID data type is integer, then is date of birth, its data type is date, and then finally the sex, its data type is character. Okay, I need to specify the format of the date. The format of the date is month, then the day, and then the year. So I'm going to specify that. All seems okay. Let's first connect to TMAP component, and I'm gonna print its output using log row component. Let's connect it. Okay, I will create a table and copy all the columns from here to there. Let's connect it and print it in form of table. Okay, so this is my data. So the first operation that I'm gonna perform is split this into first name and last name. So let's begin. For now I don't need this, so I'm gonna delete it. What I will do, I will create first name and the last name. I will give name of the column as first name and last name. Okay. I'm gonna use for performing the operation on row one dot name. Okay, row one dot name. Okay. So what I have to do, I need to split split the data on on basis of the whatever the space that I'm getting it. Okay, so what I will do, I will use this split. I need to perform the regex, and what I will do, I will just use a 0th value. So let's click on OK. Similarly, what I will do, I will perform split operation on the same column name, but for the last name, I will take the first index value. So let's click on apply and run it. Okay, so here you can see that some of the values are getting split. Okay, as you can see, columnar Jennifer is getting splitted into first name and last name. Similarly for close fill, but I'm getting a problem in this. So Kluki Ilijan. So as you can see in the data set, I have more than one spaces. So it is unable to fix my problem. I split efficiently. Similarly for here also. If I remove it, I will show you, then my problem will be gone. Okay, let's click on save and rerun my job. Okay, Cloak Spencer has also a problem. Okay, now you can see that my name are splitted efficiently on first name and the last name. Now what I'm checking the length of my name. So what I will do, I will add another row. I will add after this, oh, length. So I will just have to write row one dot name dot length. It will just print the length of the name. Let's click on apply and click on OK. Okay, cannot convert into string. Oops. So what I have to need to specify the data type of it. Okay, so here the data type, what I'm getting after performing this operation is an integer value, and I'm typecasting into string. So now it will work. I've removed the issue. As you can see that the length of the character it is showing is 80. Let's uh, what we do, let's do a mapping. For example, if the sex of an individual is F, it will print 0, or else if the sex of the individual is male M, it will print 1. So let's create another column. Name it as mapping. Its value is integer. I will use row 1 dot sex. If its value equal to M, okay, I will return 1, else I will return 0. Click on OK. Click on apply. Yeah, as you can see, when the value is F, it will print 0, and when the value is M, it will print 1. Now uh, okay, now let's calculate the age of the individual. Okay, I will create a new column age. Its data type will be long. For calculating the age, what I will use the concept is that whatever it will do, it will subtract the date of date of birth from the today's date, i.e. if an individual is born in 2000 and today's date is today's year is 2021, so what it will do, it will subtract 2021 minus 2000 and will give the output as 21. That is its age. So for that I'm going to use the talent date category and use the component t deferred date. Okay, so it takes the first date, it takes the parameter date, then uh, for example I want it and its output in form of YYY, MMDD, HH, MMSS. Okay, so I want the age, so it will be in the form of year. I will use the current date. So what is, I will use this component, return the current date and my date of birth. Okay, so far so good. Let's click on apply and click on OK and run the job. Okay, yeah, it has print the age. The difference between 2021 and 1981 is 40 years. You can also print the random values. Let me show it to you. Let's create a column as of state and country. So I'm populating these values from the talent data generator and take its value. Similarly, for printing the country, it will generate the random data on the basis of its database. Okay, okay, it does not have the country, but it, so I will use the city. I will rename it as city. Let's click on apply. Okay, and let's run our job. It will generate a random data in the columns state and city. So as you can see, I've performed various operations here, that is splitting of name into first name and last name, calculating the length of the name, calculating the age depending upon the date of birth, created a mapping from the sex column and generated a random value of state and city. You can perform various other operations depending upon the various category. Okay, you can calculate, perform mathematical operation. Okay, between, create a random data from value. Okay, perform various string handling operations, such as I will show you this what it will do. Okay, yeah, I will create uh, I will create a new column that is, it will convert the first name into uppercase. Okay. So what it will do, it will take, I'm gonna use this operation, this function uppercase, and pass row 1 dot um, first name. Oh, I'm passing name here for now. So it will, what it will do, it will convert the name into uppercase. Okay, here you can see now the all my name has been converted into uppercase. Similarly, you can convert all the values into a lowercase. You can perform various date operation. Similarly, you can perform various operation using the talent string category. So hope you liked my video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.